Finally, I'm going to talk about the way of working through dual diploma. So, every week you will have certain assignments of each subject. It could be one assignment, it could be two, it could be three, it depends on the week. So, you have all the week to complete that assignment and then it will be graded by your teacher. If you don't hand it in that week, you will be given a 0. But don't worry because you have till the end of the semester to complete it and to get a 100% or the mark you get. So there are many ways to work through dual diploma program. Some people prefer to do it all in the date and other people prefer to leave it all for the last minute. In my case, I'm a very organized person, so I don't like to leave it all for the last minute because if not, I get really nervous. So I prefer to keep all the works up to date. And my advice, obviously, is that you do this. Because if not, you will have a lot of work for the last week and you will really struggle. So please don't do it. Some of you will, but I advise you not to do it. And I advise you to do this, especially the first years of Bachillerato Dual, because you're not used to the way of working, so the assignments may take you quite a lot of time. For me, the first months of Bachillerato Dual, I spent like 2-3 hours on each assignment, but it's true that I wasn't used to doing it, and then I knew how I had to work, and that I had to be faster, I had to organize my time better, and now I take like 1 hour or less to do an assignment, but it takes practice. So the first years, as I said before, it's better to do it on time so you make sure you have enough time to do everything.
I just wanted to add something before finishing off. The way of working that Avril was telling you about is the right thing to do. You should be doing an assignment per week. However, you'll find that not all of us do that. I don't do that. I'm not an organized person, but that doesn't mean it's not possible. So what I do is I don't work for a month. I don't log in Bachillerato Dual for that month, and then I pick a weekend. And in that weekend, I get every single one of those assignments done. And I have fine grades. It's fine. You can do it. I'm not encouraging you. In fact, I'm telling you not to do it. However, I know that you're going to have weeks where you have a lot of homework or a lot of exams, and you may not be able to do it. So you can leave it for another week. That's what I like about Bachillerato Dual, the flexibility that it gives you.
Bachillerato Dual has taught me many things. The first one, and I think the most important, is to organize my time. As I said before, Bachillerato Dual consumes a lot of time. And that means that you have less time to do your schoolwork, so you have to organize your time really good and reserve certain times of the week to do Bachillerato Dual. I've also learned that if you are concentrated, you're really focused, you can do lots of things in such a short period of time, but you don't have to waste your time. So that's another thing that I have learned, that it's really important not to waste your time and be really concentrated, so in that way you're more efficient. And I've also improved a lot my writing and my reading comprehension, because the same, I said it before, there were many words that I didn't understand, so you have to look it up on the internet and make sure I understood all the text perfectly to do the assignment. So that forced me to learn many new vocabulary. And obviously, and consequently, my level of English has improved a lot. And I really recommend you to do that because you will gain lots of things. It will be really beneficial to you. Not only will it improve your English, but your way of organizing your studies. And I recommend it to everybody.
And that's it. I hope you've learned something. I hope you decided to join the Bachillerato Dual. And if you have any questions, please ask Teresa for our emails. We'll be happy to answer. And that's it. Bye.